Welcome back to another episode of Daniel's Garage. On this episode, we're going to be replacing the main headlight on a 2009 GMC Yukon Denali. In the package here, it is an H13 or 9008 bulb, and the driver's side has already been done. It's very straightforward. One bolt right there, pull that off, pull this back, pull the bulb out, replace. Super easy. On the other side, we have to remove the air box to be able to reach in and change the bulb inside there. So we need to remove the air box in order to reach the headlight bulb inside down there. And we're going to remove the plug, and then we're going to take the 4 T25 Torx screws out to get the top off, and then see what else we have to remove in order to reach the bulb. And it looks like the base just pops right up. Easy peasy. We can dump all that dirt out while we're here. Alright, now we can easily reach the protector flap. Take these little pins out. Alright, with the flap out of the way, you see that is the bulb we want to replace. And just press down on the broken clip and pull out. If that wasn't broken, it would unclip and pull out. And we'll turn. Alright, taking out the old bulb. Same as the new bulb. Just be very careful not to touch the glass. So oil from your fingerprints can make it burn out quicker. Line it up. And then they're nice and gentle. Twist till it drops in. Turn until it locks. Alright, it's in there. Plug it back in. Place the dust shield. So there's 2 points to line up. 1, 2, with 1 and 2. Pop, pop. Put the filter back in. Reinstall the screws, and then we'll test out the bulb, make sure it works. Actually, you know what? We're going to test out the bulb before we put all that back together. And it works. Alright, successful story replacing the headlight bulbs on a 2009 GMC Yukon Denali. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content.